Put that alternator on yesterday, 50 bucks for them. They already had the alternator though. They got this fancy pulley back in here on these Toyotas, $240 some. Awful design. Yeah, one-handed cameraman here. There you go. See him flexing. What the hell? So after taking some stuff apart and taking a look at some stuff, I figured some stuff out. These are the two power steering pulley bolts. Notice how they're made similar. And they have one of these in there and that in there. They have one of these power steering pulley bolts and this tensioner pulley. This is the bolt for that. One of these, this one here, I had to straighten out the threads on the very end, the last little 1/2 inch there. You can see there's kind of a difference. Yeah, had to tap and die, rethread that kind of stuff. And then I'm currently up in here doing similar on those two little mounting holes right there. And I'll be doing that one here in a minute. I don't know if it'll let it zoom in anymore. Whoa, wow, she zoomed in. But yeah, see how they just, damn it, I won't focus. There you go. Yeah, I gotta clean the rest of them threads up. Same with that one. Let me back out down there. Yep, life's great. Oh yeah, let me show you this here. I don't know if you can see the cut marks so well there, where that pulley was cutting into that. But yeah, so just fixing stuff. Yay, go me. That's $240 tensioner there, and it's busted up. Looks like she's been busted for a while. That's supposed to hold the spring in place there, is what it's supposed to do, but she's, yeah, I didn't do that. Getting this thing back together. I'm gonna say this much, I'm not gonna suggest nobody going anywhere else, because I'm not gonna be liable for it. And this lady never said nothing to me. However, I knew what happened. The guys that put the engine in done all kinds of bolt silly stuff. Finally got a gap in there on that thing. There we go. Yeah. But yeah, all kinds of bolts left out, stripped, or too long or too short, and I've just been going through it, fixing them as I go, kind of thing. I don't know, but yeah, so about to get done with this thing.